In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Cash App on your Android device. Now, I already have Cash App installed on my phone, so I'm not going to be installing it on my default system. Now, just to let you know, what you're looking at here is my actual cell phone. On my Linux system, I have some piece of software installed that gives me the ability to connect a USB to my phone, from my phone to my computer. Now, I could do basically the same thing as I would do if I had the phone in my hand. I could place calls, I could do whatever I want. Now, when you want to install Cash App, all you would need to do is go to the Google Store, type Cash App, and then you would have to hit install. I already have it installed on my system. That's why it says open here. So for the purposes of this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to utilize a software called Parallel Space. What this software does is give me the ability to have two instances of the same software, of the same application, excuse me. Now what that means is I can have two different profiles for the same app, right? So what I'm going to do is I already did a fresh install, and now we're just going to walk through the setup process. So let Cash App open up. And now it's going to ask you for a phone number. So you can either sign up with Cash App using an email address, or you can use a phone number. I prefer using a phone number. It's more quick. So I enter my phone number information. I'm going to do another video on how to install Cash App using your email address. But it's basically the same process. What's going to happen next is when I hit next, the Cash App servers are going to send me a security code. Right, I'm going to have to enter that security code into my device here. The same thing is going to happen if you were to use an email address. It's going to send you that security code to your email address. So it's basically the same thing. In that case, I probably won't even create another video because it's essentially the same thing. Right, so I'm just going to hit next here. It's going to send me the code. I'm going to enter in that code. I'm going to hit next. And now what you're going to do is you're going to have to link a bank card, a debit card. Right? The reason why is because when you make purchases, right, if you need to send money to someone, if you need to purchase some Bitcoin, right, there needs to be an account linked to Cash App in order to make this happen. All right, so I'm going to enter my information here. Oh, I know what's happening. This card number is actually attached to my personal Cash App. But basically the process is very simple. Enter in your information, that way the accounts can be linked, right? So let's assume that I entered in my credit card information, okay? But for the purposes of this video, I'm just going to hit skip, okay? Now it's going to ask for you to add friends or invite friends to get $15 extra, and basically inviting them to download and install the Cash App, right? You could do this if you want. I'm going to choose not to. And that's pretty much it. You're all set up. Now, once you have the application installed, you can request, you can pay. Here is the link that you would use to purchase Bitcoin. It's very, very simple. All right. So that's pretty much it. It's a very simple process. Thanks for watching this video.